When you're looking for professional air conditioning and electrical service, rely on the team at Sorrells Air Conditioning. You can count on us for expert commercial and residential sales, service, and installation. No matter the make or model, we can help you find what you're looking for. For everything from duct installation, heat pumps, and thermostats, to refrigerant recycling, air purification systems, and monoxide testing, we'll have your HVAC needs covered. We offer annual maintenance contracts as well. After-hour service is available. Call today to learn more.